Today we're diving into a high-octane showdown between two heavyweights in the tire industry. On one side, we have the Continental SportContact 7, a tire that prides itself on versatility and high performance under a variety of conditions. On the other, the Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 Connect, a tire that blends racetrack prowess with street legality. Let's find out which tire comes out on top. Let's start with dry conditions. When it comes to dry braking, the SportContact 7 stops at 33.5 meters from 100 kilometers per hour, while the Pilot Sport Cup 2 Connect stops slightly longer at 35.8 meters. That's a crucial difference that could be a game changer in critical situations. In terms of dry handling, both tires are neck and neck. The SportContact 7 clocks an average speed of 133.3 kilometers per hour on the handling circuit, just shy of the 133.7 kilometers per hour managed by the Pilot Sport Cup 2 Connect. It's virtually a tie-in grip and responsiveness. Moving to wet performance, the differences become more pronounced. The SportContact 7 outshines in wet braking, stopping from 80 kilometers per hour in just 27.5 meters, significantly better than the 37.5 meters required by the Michelin. In wet handling, the SportContact 7 also leads, demonstrating stronger grip and control. Even in challenging aquaplaning scenarios, the SportContact 7 shows impressive resistance, particularly in straight-line conditions, though both tires perform similarly well in curved aquaplaning tests. Noise levels are another crucial factor for many drivers. Both tires register at 68.2 decibels, making them equally quiet and comfortable for everyday driving. Efficiency is key, and here the SportContact 7 has the edge again with lower rolling resistance, which could translate to better fuel efficiency and a lighter environmental footprint. In conclusion, while both tires offer remarkable performance, the Continental SportContact 7 edges out as the more versatile and economical choice, excelling in wet conditions and efficiency, while matching the dry handling performance of the Pilot Sport Cup 2. Whether you're on the street or the track, it seems the SportContact 7 might just be the smarter pick for a broad range of drivers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.